Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case on the closure of rowdy sheets. You can read this case as Tadiboyana Peraya alias Mahesh, beautiful name, versus State of AP, represented by the Principal Secretary, Home Department, right? While disposing the writ petition number 24672, 24,672 by 2020 on 16th March 2021, the Honorable Single Judge, of course, he has dismissed the rowdy sheet. He has ordered that rowdy sheet should be closed as per PSO or Police Standing Orders number 602, suborder number 2. Of course, here if you go through the details of the case, the applicant or writ petitioner Tadiboyana Peraya alias Mahesh, he is involved in a case of murder 302 IPC. Subsequently, the trial was conducted and the case ended in acquittal. After acquittal, he has applied to the High Court that his fundamental right of privacy is being violated by the police, because police are coming to his house quite often and inquiring as to where he is going, what are his movements, all these things. Now, when the material is produced before the court found that no material is found on record justifying the extension of the rowdy sheet in terms of Order 602. So, the extension of rowdy sheet without any valid basis is clearly unsustainable under law. So, the rowdy sheet should be closed. In this connection, our friends normally, they may not be aware of the opening of the rowdy sheets and closure of the rowdy sheets. That's why I am making this video. So, the police department, they have got a manual. It is called as AP Police Manual. It is a procedural law for them. No doubt, they have to oblige or they have to stick to the law of the land, that is IPC, CRPC, Evidence Act. At the same time, they have got a manual. It is just like a Bible for them. So, the procedural aspects will be mentioned in the police manual. Previously, before our joining the department, they were called as police standing orders. But still, the courts are under the impression that still they are calling as police standing orders, whatever it is. So, here, order number 601 and 602 are necessary. Order number 601 is regarding the opening of the rowdy sheets, against whom the rowdy sheet should be opened. So, the purpose of rowdy sheet or suspect sheet or habitual offender sheet or KD sheet is to watch his movements, unobtrusively. Unobtrusively, that means without his knowledge. And this is otherwise called as surveillance. Main purpose. So, it will not be opened against each and every persons who are involved in murder cases or cases involving breach of peace, but persons against whom the police have got a doubt they may commit crime, definitely against them these sheets will be opened. So the following persons may be classified as rowdies, and rowdy sheets in Form 980 shall be opened, of course, with the orders of or with the concurrence of the DSP and SP only. What are the types? Persons who habitually commit or attempt to commit or abet the commission. Committing, okay, abet the commission. So, I am here, come on, go and get him, go and thrash him. And abetting the commission. So, attempting and abetting offences involving breach of peace, breach of disturbance to public order and security. Already I told you the difference between public order and security. Suppose if you incite a rowdy to go and collect mamuls near Gandhi Road, then it is, you can be a rowdy. A rowdy sheet can be opened because it is a disturbance to the public order. So, maintenance of public, breach of peace and breach of public order. And persons bound over under sections right from 106, 107, 108 up to 110. 110 E and G. E and G are habitual offenders. Then persons who have, this is important, persons who have been convicted more than twice or more than once in two consecutives. That is if in the period of 20,020 and 20,021, if he is convicted more than once, 2 times under section 59 and 70 of Hyderabad City Police Act or under section 3 of the Town Uses, that means drunken behavior. If he drinks and causes some nuisance and if he is convicted twice within a period of 2 years, yes, rowdy sheet can be automatically opened. If teasing girls, persons who habitually tease women and girls and pass indecent remarks, section 354. Right. So persons who intimidate by threats or physical force, unlawful money. Okay. Whoever intimidate by threats, come on, if you don't give me money, tomorrow your body will be there. Your wife will be kidnapped, like that if you intimidate. If you put any threat, such people, that means who extort money. This is actually the basis for the rowdyism. A rowdy does these things. Then persons who incite and instigate the communal politics or communal riots. Of course, who are detained under Gunda Act, AP Prevention of Dangerous Activities of Bootleggers, Dacoits, Drug Offenders, Gundas, Immoral Traffic Offenders, Land Grabbers, etc. 1986. Right. So, a rowdy sheet can be opened for persons who are convicted under the Representation of People's Act. But for rigging, taking away the ballot paper, taking away the ballot bags, and booth capturing, like that. Then when to close, order 602 says, so these rowdy sheets can be closed. Please remember, when the cases end in acquittal against them. And secondly, if the DSP is of the considered view that his activities are not prejudicial to the maintenance of the public order or breach of peace. So, if he is transferred himself, if his activities are not rowdy activities, definitely after 2 years, well, actually they say 1 year, but after 2 years, yes, on the recommendations of the CI, the concerned DSP can order the closure of the seats. So, this is please remember, this is regarding the rowdy sheets. It's an important issue, particularly for police officers and normally for advocates. Whenever the persons come to you and approach you saying that, sir, they have been maintaining the rowdy sheet against for the past 10 years, they have not closed it. Yes, you can approach and you can cite this case as Peraya alias Mahesh. Good case, please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.